Alright, so it turns out that they redid ImposterBaker. Or at least to my knowledge. So, yeah, let's redo that because the old method doesn't work now. So step 1. Enable ImposterBaker and geometry script. Now you need geometry script. So now you're thinking, alright, I followed your last tutorial. We have to modify the base material, right? Nope. Then you do that, look for your ImposterBaker map, then editor utility widget down there. Then find the graves. Couldn't get my gravestone. I couldn't find the gravestone from last time. So now, if you go back, it'll make an imposter. So now, what type of thing do you want? Upper hemisphere means that you won't really see the bottom. Full, you get everything but more draw. Or traditional, it's just a regular ass billboard. I'll do this because you can't really see, you won't be able to see the bottom. Res, you know that. Render. Then if you go back, congratulations, you found an imposter. Then, save to mesh. Close this up. Get your mesh back. Then you'll notice the imposter LODs. Yep. So now, under LOD 1, 6, 7, hop into the wireframe. Then you'll realize, hey, where's all the stuff? It's an imposter, so, now we can adjust it. So, for example, auto compute LOD1, I'll just change this back to just something like 115, and yeah, new imposter method just drops.